How to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger without blocking them. In this video, we'll show you the quick and easy way to restrict anyone on Facebook Messenger but without blocking them. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video we'll learn how to do it. Without any much delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Facebook Messenger application on your device. Make sure your app is up to date so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. And then log in to your account. Once you have logged in, you will reach on the chat section where you can easily select anyone which you want to restrict on Facebook Messenger. So simply you can search with the help of the search bar and start chatting and then restrict them. Or if you find from this chat section, you can easily tap and hold that particular user and then select this restrict button. Once you have done that, you have successfully restricted someone on Facebook Messenger without blocking them. So that is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.